Okay, it's done. Yeah. There were long time ago. World far, far away.
A legend fight.
Yes.
A very legend fight. With this loud monster around. Kind funny little. Mike Wazowski. He's such a nice little boy. He likes that he will wipe this town off. He will, but still, he will win against this fight. Mike
Wazowski.
or or James P. Sullivan, of the son of Bill Sullivan.
Bill Sullivan.
That's his father.
Okay. And then here's the their things of legend.
Mike Wazowski's master, who trained them to be better. Would not be like a nice fuzzy one. But now let's start with the fight.
Your character.
I'm all for it.
Okay.
Then we'll see.
Okay.
But this something happened. Something went down. Now someone cheated. Not just anyone. It was Mike Wazowski. But he said nothing happened. But he said, he's a liar. He's a liar.
You're hitting it.
And then he put him here. She was still hanging. So they left him there hanging. He was really tired. But then he won. He was happy. But then the next round came. It was very hard. But then his master was sad. Got to be home. Because he's very tired too. And he lied down and chilled. Now put the fight. Holy versus
Oh yeah, first.
Boss Mikey.
Wait. Just pretend Buzz Lightyear lose.
But the last round he won. Okay?
Okay.
Pero kahit hindi naman siya, no? Ito, nagpapasalita siya.
Thank you.
And he's gonna kill him.
No, not him. He got
Ito nga to,
okay?
talino nga eh.
Thank you everyone.
Pero makaintindi siya pag sabi ng yaya eh. Hindi siya magkaano. Ako niya yung sa yaya.
Yeah. Thank you.
I can't see you.
Very pleasure. Now the next fight will be still him, but Holy versus
The king.
not the king.
The master Buzz
Ninja.
Ninja. Okay, I'll just.
Hello.
I'm gonna get it.
Hello, they meet again. Hello, brother.
Di ba sa ano, sa Iron Man dyan halo?
Now I'm gonna pick my own weapon. But first, what would be my
I'm seeing you around.
May lang yun. Baka may biglaan.
Phantom?
Pero may sarili talaga sila.
To be continued. Just say it. Just write it. To be
There's no more space.
Speak.
Pero nga pumunta sa park, may dead na, Chinese. Dead na, tapos. Dead na sila more one? Parang baguhin niya ng bahay. Puti? Bakit?
To be continued.